Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a video course to your blog or website. So let me show you how it works. So here I have added a video course where you can see we have multiple chapters, and then we have a progress indicator, and you have a mark as complete button, and you can see the chapters and durations here. So let me click on any of the video here, and it will load the video from YouTube. So let me click on here, and as you can see video is playing, and once you reach to 90% mark, then it will mark the video as complete automatically, or you can select any of the video and you can start playing the video here, or you can manually mark this as complete as well. So in this way you can play multiple videos and you can see the progress indicator as well. So to add this video course to your blog or website, all you have to do is just create a new page. So let's go to Blogger dashboard, and here you need to click on new page. Now you need to copy a HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So let me copy this and I will paste it here. Now you need to make some changes. So first one is the videos. So here you can see we have a course data where you can add your course name, you can add a course description, and then you can add your video title, you can set the duration, and you can set the video ID. So if you go to YouTube and click on share, and here you need to see we have the video ID just after the .be and before the question mark. So let double click on it and we can copy the video ID of any video. Now you need to replace that video ID here, and that's it. If you scroll up, then here you can see the HTML. So you can change all the settings like mark as complete, welcome to course, select a video, or you can see the instructions. So you can change all these values from here. Now let's publish this page and see how it looks. As you can see, it is looking like this. So we need to make some changes here. So it will depend upon your theme. So you need to hide your header, you need to hide your sidebar or footer or all these elements. So I have already created a CSS file for this theme. So here you can see we have hidden the sidebar, and we have reset the maximum width to 100% and reset the sections to 100% and set the background color to white. So we need to copy a custom CSS code. So it will depend upon your theme. So let me paste that reset CSS code here. Now let me hit update. As you can see, it is loading perfectly fine. So if you don't want the header and footer, then you can hide these sections. So let me right click on it, scroll down and just select the footer section here. This is the footer. So I need to add display none here. In this way you can hide the footer section. Just copy the rule, and here you need to paste the CSS code here so that you can hide the footer section. Let's update. As you can see, it is fully mobile optimized. So you can see the video chapters and you can see the video here. So let me close it, and your footer section is hidden now. So in this way you can hide the header section as well and keep the video as the main focus of this page. So in this way you can create a free video course in your blog or website. So if you still have doubt, or if you are facing any issues, then you can ask me in the comment section, or you can join our Telegram group where you can share your problems so that I will try to solve the issue as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and all these links will be included in the description. So make sure to check it out. Thank you.